In this video, we take a closer look at the fundamental functions of the company code in SAP. The company code is the central organizational unit in financial accounting and forms the basis for all accounting-related processes in the system. It represents a legally independent entity within a company. This entity can independently generate balance sheets, profit and loss statements, and fulfill tax reporting requirements. Therefore, the company code constitutes the lowest level for external financial reporting and is essential for any financial closing, whether for a small business or a large international corporation. In the SAP system, each company code is assigned a unique 4-character identifier. These identifiers often reflect regional or organizational distinctions. For example, 1000 for the headquarters in Germany or 2000 for a subsidiary abroad. This identifier is tied to all accounting-relevant processes and is required across all SAP modules that involve financial transactions. The company code is not limited to financial accounting. Other SAP modules, such as sales and distribution or materials management, also refer to the company code when processing financially relevant data. For instance, customer and vendor master data are often maintained on a company code-specific level. This means that financial information such as payment terms or tax indicators may vary by company code. In many SAP environments, multiple company codes exist in parallel. This is typically the case when a business operates through several legally distinct entities. Each of these entities is assigned its own company code. This separation enables clean accounting, differentiated reporting, and the mapping of complex corporate structures. Another benefit lies in clear system separation. Transactions performed within one company code are not visible to others. This ensures both data privacy and organizational independence within the system. In summary, the company code is the backbone of SAP financial accounting. It provides the structural framework for all financial processes, ensures legal separation within the system, and enables accurate, transparent, and compliant bookkeeping.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your ADVIST Academy.